Hi, I'm Matthew and welcome to the printing workshop. Today we're going to be discussing changing out the transfer belt cleaner on a Xerox AltaLink C8000 series copy machine. First thing you do, open the front cover. Your transfer belt cleaner is your R6 and it's located on the right side. You're going to want to turn that cover clockwise. You'll turn the knob counterclockwise until it pops out at you. Then you'll grab the whole assembly and pull straight out. Just pull one nice smooth motion like that. Before you take that out, open your new one. What I like to do is wrap it around the transfer belt cleaner and then finish pulling it all the way out. Before you go in, you're going to want to locate the orange line on top of it, and that goes straight up. Turn your knob while pushing in, and then you'll turn the knob cover latch. You'll close your front cover and you're done.